Hey all you cool cats and kittens, I mean meal preppers and home cooks. I'm going to share with you a special recipe because it's not really a recipe, it's just a method that I have shared with my meal planners and meal preppers in Power Plans. This will change your life just like Tiger King has. This is how you cook bacon in the oven. It is the best way to cook bacon. There's no mess, it comes out crispy, and what more can you ask for when you cook bacon? So I'll show you how to do it right now. This method is so easy. Cookie sheet and some aluminum foil. It's really important right now that you do not preheat your oven until we're done. It's gonna make a little boat for your bacon grease. That way it doesn't spill out. Get your bacon. I think that the best bacon comes from the butcher shop. I think because it's thick cut and it's fresh. So grab your bacon. Lay as many strips as you want out. This bacon is really good. This method is really good for meal prepping. So you can cook a bunch and save it for the week. Now here's the key to this bacon. The reason why it cooks up crispy is because it cooks slowly. So I haven't preheated my oven yet. You want to make sure that everything's on the pan. You're going to put the pan in the oven and then preheat it to 425 degrees. The bacon cooks slowly and it has time to caramelize. If you cook it in the pan, it gets real hot real quick and a lot of people burn it and rings. Or it just doesn't come crispy because it's sitting in all the fat and it just softens. So now I can just throw it in the oven. Every single time I make bacon in this house, my smoke alarm goes off. So beware that your smoke alarm may go off, or maybe it's just my place. But that's how you know it's cooking right. When it's about preheated, because right now it's at 0 degrees, right? So when it's at 425 degrees, it's getting close to done. So keep your nose, smell out, and your eyes out for when it becomes preheated. That's about the time that it's done. You can go ahead and give it a check when it's up to 425 degrees. Open the door just a little bit, see if it needs some more time. It could literally just be another minute or two, so keep a close eye on it because again, that is really hot and everyone's had bacon burned at some point, so keep a close eye on it. Line a plate with paper towels, lay the bacon on the plate and let it drain. That way it's not sitting in the bacon grease and getting soft. It stays nice and crispy. Save some of that bacon grease because it's going to accumulate in your little bacon grease boat. You can save it to cook with. I like to do that, especially if I'm making eggs. What else? I think that's it. Just crumple up that bacon boat. You can throw that away. Do not put bacon grease down your sink if you didn't know that. Make sure you throw it away. It stays, right in it. Your pan is clean, your bacon is good. That's how we become meal prep masters in Power Plans Nutrition. If you want to know more tips and secrets or get your own custom meal plans, leave me a comment below or check out my website, powerplansnutrition.com, or one of my other videos. I got a lot of free recipes. I'm looking out for you guys. Stay healthy, be well, but eat some bacon. Is it too hot to eat? So good.